Welcome back to ABCD Trade Review. Diana here, your trader and analyst. Newly listed IPOs for July 18, 2026, which fresh listings just hit the market, how they debuted versus their issue price, and whether to buy now or book profit. Your market pulse for this week. Nifty 50 at 24,334, plus 1.55%. Sensex at 78,151, plus 1.84%. Bank Nifty at 58,521, plus 2.22%. Globally, S&P 500 to 1.14%, Nasdaq minus 2.62%, crude oil plus 15.52%, gold minus 2.23%, US dollar to Indian rupee plus 0.44%. After a green week, the broader bias is positive. Next week, watch the Nifty's key levels, crude, the rupee, and U.S. indices. In the new listing space, check the recent listings on NSE and BSE and how each debuted versus its issue price. Here's how to play a fresh listing. First, the price. Compare where it trades now against its issue price and price band to see if the listing pop has already happened. Second, when to buy. If it listed flat or dipped, but the business is strong, you can accumulate near the issue price. If it spiked on pure hype, wait for it to cool and base. Third, when to sell. If you got the allotment and it's up big on day one, booking some profit into the listing strength is never wrong. Watch the first few sessions for the real trend before committing for the long term. Why it's on the list. It's up plus 2.09% today on 0.4 times its average volume. The trend is sideways. RSI has room to run before it's overbought, exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. Signature rose plus 2.09% on light volume, 0.4x average, with news in focus. Signature Global, India, Ltd, NSE, Signature, Q4 2026 earnings call highlights, record profits. Technically, the trend is sideways. RSI is 63, neutral. Support sits near 739.10 rupees and resistance near 905.25 rupees. On fundamentals, it's a real estate name. Market cap 113.91 billion rupees, PE around 10, revenue growth plus 113%, profit margin plus 42%. Short term, it's below the 873.00 rupees entry, minus 7.25%. Target 1 at 1,309.50 rupees is plus 62% away, and target 2 at 1,746.00 rupees about plus 116%. Watch 873.00 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 739.10 rupees and 848.85 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 714.20 rupees to 1,246.70 rupees, and it's near the 18% mark of that band. Long-term view, it's below the 200-day average, so the bias is weak. Better to wait for a reclaim of that average or a clear base before committing for the long term. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 873.00 rupees. Book partial profit and exit some at target 1, 1,309.50 rupees, then the rest toward target 2, 1,746.00 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 739.10 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. If this breakdown on Signature helped, hit like and subscribe. Join our free Telegram for real-time entry and exit alerts. Link in the description, and comment your own target for Signature below. Why it's on the list. It's down minus 3.22% today on 0.9 times its average volume. The trend is uptrend. RSI has room to run before it's overbought. Price is holding above its 200-day average. Exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. Rain fell minus 3.22% on roughly average volume. The move looks driven by momentum and basic materials flows. Technically, the trend is uptrend. RSI is 67, neutral. Support sits near 126.00 rupees and resistance near 213.64 rupees. On fundamentals, it's a basic materials name. Market cap 69.55 billion rupees, PE around 23, revenue growth plus 20%, profit margin plus 2%. Short term, it's below the 213.41 rupees entry, minus 3.11%. Target 1 at 320.12 rupees is plus 55% away, and target 2 at 426.82 rupees about plus 106%. Watch 213.41 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 181.82 rupees and 213.64 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 101.48 rupees to 213.64 rupees, and it's near the 94% mark of that band. Long-term view. The structure is constructive above the 200-day average, so the approach is to accumulate on dips towards support and hold while that level holds. A decisive break below it would be the exit cue. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 213.41 rupees. Book partial profit and exit some at target 1, 320.12 rupees, then the rest toward target 2, 426.82 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 126.00 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. Like and subscribe for more setups like Rain. Jump into our free Telegram in the description for live entry and exit alerts, and tell me in the comments what you'd do with Rain. Why it's on the list. It's down minus 0.16% today on 0.7 times its average volume. The trend is uptrend. Price is holding above its 200-day average, exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. ATGL fell minus 0.16% on roughly average volume, with news in focus. Factbox A look at Indian billionaire Gautam Adani's businesses. Technically, the trend is uptrend. RSI is 36, neutral. Support sits near 591.09 rupees and resistance near 808.27 rupees. On fundamentals, it's a utilities name. Market cap 777.13 billion rupees, PE around 119, revenue growth plus 16%, profit margin plus 11%. Short term, it's below the 723.90 rupees entry, minus 2.39%. Target 1 at 1,085.85 rupees is plus 54% away, and target 2 at 1,447.80 rupees about plus 105%. Watch 723.90 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 698.65 rupees and 734.00 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 467.74 rupees to 808.27 rupees, and it's near the 70% mark of that band. Long-term view. The structure is constructive above the 200-day average, so the approach is to accumulate on dips towards support and hold while that level holds. A decisive break below it would be the exit cue. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 723.90 rupees. Book partial profit and exit some at target 1, 1,085.85 rupees, then the rest toward target 2, 1,447.80 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 591.09 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. Enjoying the analysis? Subscribe and hit the bell. Join our free Telegram below for entry and exit alerts, and drop your view on ATGL or any stock you want me to cover next in the comments. Watch the first few sessions before you commit. Like and subscribe for more IPO coverage. This is for education purposes only, not financial advice. And here's what I want from you. Comment below where you think these stocks are headed next. Drop the future price you expect for any of them. Also tell me which ticker you want me to analyze next, and I'll share its entry, targets, levels, and full details in an upcoming video. And to get real-time entry and exit alerts the moment they happen, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below.